feel like caca, so I'm making chicken noodle soup. I'm starting with, there we go. It's half broth, half water. You can let your chicken boil for 30 minutes. Season the broth with pepper and salt. Some turmeric. While it's boiling, chop your veggies. For celery sauce. I like the green stuff on top personally. Once you see all the good stuff from the skin and the bones on top, and then you see how it's starting to pull apart a little bit, that's how you know it's ready to take out. We're gonna make a roux with the veggies. It's like a little less than a stick of butter, but you use however much butter you like. The veggies we chopped. Shit. We'll do some thyme. Oregano. Garlic powder. While the veggies cook, I'm just taking the skin off the chicken and putting it on a plate to give the dogs. I don't prefer the skin. Whole chicken, man, is so much cheaper than anything else. I really think that that's what I'm gonna do from now on, is just get whole chickens. I'm just gonna start kind of peeling it off the bone little by little. All right, I got my chicken all cut off the bone. So going in with a half cup of flour to the veggies. Mix that around. To that, we'll do a scoop of broth. 2 scoops of broth. And beautiful. It's already starting to gravy up. Veggies in. I got the chicken in this bowl so all the juices stay in there. Chicken in. It looks so good. Cream of chicken going in, just for good measure. So we're gonna bring the soup back up to a boil, and then we'll add the egg noodles. Soup's boiling. We're gonna pour in the egg noodles. And we're gonna turn it off so the egg noodles don't overcook. And she's finished. Topping with some Parmesan cheese.
Heating up, is it? It's not cooking up.
So good. Do your kids put ice cubes in their soup to cool it down?
Yeah.
All right, wait. You don't spill it. Give it a taste. Don't lick it off the table.
There's been chicken on the table before.
Give it a taste.
The homemade soup is really good, but Mommy made it the homemade soup, so I like it.